Just to look at this storybook I have created with Google Gemini. Look at illustrations, fonts, the real looking page texture. Everything is a perfect blend. You can read it, and if you want, you can also listen to it. In order to create Storybook, head over to the Google Gemini, click on three little lines on the left, and here you find Storybook. Here you can see the description reads, create a customized picture book for either children or adults and so on. In the text field, you can put in your prompt. Mine is write a 10-page children's story book where young children learns the importance of good manners through everyday adventures with friends and family. Now press enter. Storybook creation is in process now. Now it's gonna give us the preview, and there we have our Leo's Little Lessons by Muhammad Dildar. It's my name, guy. You can simply click on it and it would scroll through it. Just look how beautifully page curls inward as if it's a printed version. Look at illustration, page texture, everything is beautiful. You can click here to share it on social media like Facebook and Twitter, etc. Or you can simply copy the link and send it through WhatsApp or email. If you have a printer, you can also print it as well. But unfortunately, we can't get its PDF version for now. Maybe in future we could get this feature for Storybook. However, we can listen to our storybook, which I'll show you later. Let me try with one more book. My prompt is write a story for 10-year-old children about the importance of forgiving. Press enter and wait for some time. And there you go. We have the Star Jumper's second chance. It's as marvelous as we have seen in the first book. You can also translate this book into other languages or create altogether new storybooks in other languages as well. Let me translate this into Urdu, and here we have Urdu version of the same story. सितारा उड़ान भरने वालों का दूसरा मौका. It has good decent font, great illustration as usual. Now let me click listen option, and here you can listen to it.
सितारा अलान बढ़ने वालों का दूसरा मौका. जैस्पर को अपना खिलौना रॉकेट स्टार जंपर बहुत पसंद था. इसके चमकदार चांदी के पंजे.
So that was it about creating a storybook in Google Gemini. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.